Hello guys, I am back, obviously. Today I thought I would do something a little different that I've never done personally before, but I kind of like watching with other YouTube channels. So I thought I would do a grocery haul and show you how I organize in my refrigerator. So I'm not like the kind of organizing mom that has like a bin for each things. I wish I was that detail oriented. Emma, say hi. Say hi. It's Emma's birthday tomorrow. I'm so excited. Today is actually June 30th. I had to look at the date because I can't remember. Today's June 30th. Emma's birthday is tomorrow. Her birthday is July 1st, and then Bailey's is July 8th. So for the past couple of weeks, I have not been able to hear anything besides birthday talk. So I'm going to clean out the fridge of the things that are expired or no good, and then I'll show you what we got. Minus probably whatever Bailey's gonna be snacking on, and Emma. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so it kind of looks like a hot mess because I just threw it on the counters, and yeah, so I'm gonna start over here, I'll start over here. So I went to Target and Sprouts this time. Normally I shop at Ralph's, but I've been like super bummed out about their produce selection. So I decided to go to Sprouts today and just kind of switch it up. And I also know that they have the self-serve like trail mix and stuff, which right now it's not self-serve because of all the stuff going on in the world, but it's still like a different variety of stuff than you would normally find. So I got some just like their plain potato chips with sea salt, and then I got these were buy one get one free, I think, or I don't know, 2 for $3. Oh, it was buy one get one free. I knew there's a reason I got 2 bags. So I got the hot ones. These are so good, guys. I don't know if anyone out there likes hot Cheetos or anything like that, but I'm addicted to flaming hot stuff. As you can see, I got 2 bags of Lay's, but these are so good, and I feel like they're a little bit better of an alternative. I mean, actually, yeah, it's way better. And it says 30% less fat than the leading potato chips. But that's not why I buy them. I buy them just because they taste really good. Okay, so I also got, I can't live without these candies. They're my weakness. Hot Lay's and the sweet and sour snakes are my weakness. And then I got this. Nope. Chad's been drinking my apple cider vinegar from the bottle. So I saw this at Sprouts and I thought, I wonder if he would like this. These are like, it's 2 fluid ounces, it's a shot, and I just think that it sounded kind of good, and it was like 2 for $6 or something like that, which is kind of expensive, but it's the Bragg brand, and I don't know, it seemed interesting. I wanted him to try it. Not me, because I'm not that kind of person. Then I got, this is just some couscous. I haven't had couscous in forever, guys. I used to eat it all the time, but I don't know what happened. So I got this, and then I got some Annie's mac and cheese. This is penne and 4 cheese. I have no other packages. I thought I had another one. Good thing I bought those. And then I got some Z-Bar protein bars for Bailey. I don't know if she'll eat them. We're kind of going through a phase where she's a little pickier than normal. So I'm kind of like testing things on her and seeing if she likes them. I got these barbecue pistachios. I don't know why, it sounded really good. These are one of Bailey's favorite pastas. They're rigatoni. She just likes the tubular ones. And then I got these Annie's fruit snacks. So I switched from the Welch's fruit snacks to these because I thought they were the better option. And honestly, guys, coming from an adult, these are so good. Chad loves them too. I don't know why, like, we never tried these before, but they're really good and adult friendly too. Okay, so on to, I got some Brussels sprouts, some green beans. I got a watermelon, which I don't know if I picked a good one this time, guys. Last time I picked a watermelon, it did not go well. It was smushy, and I already don't like watermelon to begin with unless it's super crispy, and dealing with smushy watermelons is not fun. Okay, so I got these cupcakes because one, Bailey was asking for them, and two, I thought it would be fun for Emma's birthday. I didn't realize that they were vegan. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not a vegan, guys, as you'll see with the rest of my stuff, but we'll see. I mean, they were only $5, so I'm not making a big deal out of it. I got some strawberries, which I already cut some cucumbers and strawberries for Bailey's snack. Bailey, are you eating your snack?
No.
No? You don't like cucumbers and strawberries?
I picked this for my birthday.
Can you tell YouTube that you like strawberries and cucumbers? And this is for your sister's birthday. This isn't for you. Okay. All right, on to the cold stuff because it is melting for the most part. I got a ton of like deli meats. Ignore my dishes, guys. I'm a hot mess today. I got some chicken breast and some roast beef, which they had to put in a bag because it was like leaking. And guys, look at how big this bag is. Oh, that's so crazy. And then I got some provolone cheese, and then I got a charcuterie trio from Target, and I got some frozen shrimp. This is a rice and quinoa quartet. I don't know. I feel like I've tried this. I'm not sure. But I wanted to give it another shot just in case I had and just don't remember. So I got that. I got some shredded carrots. I got some baby carrots because Bailey loves those. Milk, creamer. Guys, normally I get the sweet cream, but this classic caramel creamer is so good. I'm addicted. And so far I can only find it at Target. So that's one reason I went to Target. But I also like the Natural Bliss Coffee Mate because look at that ingredients list. It's not that long, and I don't see. So, fun fact, guys, I do not like when they add vegetable oils to coffee creamers. It's gross. I can see like the oil like sitting at the top of my coffee because I don't drink it right away because hello, mom life. And it just grosses me out to see the oil sitting at the top. And this is one of the only ones I can find out there that tastes good and doesn't have oil sitting at the top.
For my birthday.
Yes, it's for your birthday, but we're not going to play with them right now. Okay, anyways, so milk. I got some blackberries because these looked amazing, guys. I have never had blueberries and blackberries and strawberries look this good at the Ralph's by my house. The Ralph's, which is right across the street, conveniently located, but I drove an extra 10 minutes, I guess. It's still not far, but I drove further to get better quality stuff because I was just tired of not being satisfied with my produce. Broccoli florets. I got some zucchini, some avocado, limes. I got some pasilla peppers, and these were actually 2 for $6, guys. These are Persian cucumbers, which cucumbers fly through my house. Like, I can barely get enough cucumbers every time I go. Did I say artichoke? I don't know. I got artichoke. I haven't made artichoke in forever, so we'll see how that goes. Mushrooms, and then once again, another snack that another thing that I'm trying for Bailey. This is cran raspberry Zevia. She's like obsessed with soda, guys. Yes, I know I'm winning at parenting, but sometimes she'll sneak some of my soda, and yeah, so she loves soda. I thought this being carbonated would be fun for her, and it's like 0 sugar, 0 calories, so we'll see if she likes it. If not, no big deal. Eggs from Target, and I think that's it. And then I actually got some bins from the $5 less section in Target because I'm gonna organize under here while I'm at it. Okay, so let's clean out the fridge and pack it up.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy.
Alright, it isn't perfect, but it'll do. I'm a little overwhelmed because I found out we have a leak, and I think it's coming from the garbage disposal, which is broken. Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that for sure soon. And yeah, so this is pretty much the way it was organized before. But yeah. So yeah. Alright guys, I gotta clean these doors, but the bottom looks super full. The top looks like eh. And if you're wondering, those are cherries that I'm working on, so don't judge me. Here is the pantry back in its organized glory. Yeah, it's so satisfying. Okay, so now that I'm a hot mess and I am completely beat, I'm gonna start dinner. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this very straight to the point video and weren't too bored. I enjoyed making it as usual.
And give it a win.
So what do they need to do? Give it a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Do you want them to comment back down below?
Yeah.
You want to ask them a question?
Yeah.
What's the question you want them to comment and answer with?
Go in the pool.
Do they want to go in the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you guys want to go in the pool, please comment down below. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, guys.
Have what it takes inside.